everyone, this is Brent Beal with Something About Albuquerque Realtors and Keller Williams. Welcome to my new listing, 6936 Concord Hills Loop in Rio Rancho, New Mexico. It sits on a hill with absolutely incredible views of Sandia and a great location. You can commute to Albuquerque, Santa Fe, Cuba, the Jemez, Farmington, wherever you need. This is a little over 1,400 square feet with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It's got several new upgrades within the last couple years. It's got a new roof, new garage door, fresh paint and carpet within the last couple weeks, and I can't wait to show it to you. Please do give me a call at 505-930-1340. Again, it's Brent with Something About Albuquerque Realtors and Keller Williams. Thank you everyone for watching this tour of our new listing in Rio Rancho, New Mexico at 6936 Concord Hills Loop. This is Brent Buell, Something About Albuquerque Realtors and Keller Williams at 505-930-1340. I look forward to seeing you.